Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix PlayStation 5 not connecting to the internet. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here to the right, you're gonna find your game library. If you click on it right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps. If you go here to the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find games, media. Here you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, if your PlayStation 5 is not connecting to the internet, just go to settings. And then here you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, and all of the settings. Go ahead and click on network. And then once you do that, here you're gonna find your current network. So if your internet connection status is not connected, go ahead and click on test internet connection. And then right here, go ahead and click on start test. And just wait for the PlayStation or for your device to test your internet connection. And if everything is successful, that means that the PlayStation has successfully connected to the internet. If not, you can go back. Maybe you can try to change the DNS settings. Go to settings, set up internet connection, go to your options, advanced settings, and then you can change your DNS settings from here. Just click on manual and then here change your DNS settings to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary one to 8.8.4.4. Then click on OK and your internet might work right now. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.